Om. Om Namo Narayana. Krishnaya Vasudevaya Hare Paramatmane Pranada Klesha Nashaya Govindaya Namo Namah. Namaste devotees. Welcome in our Bhagavad Gita understanding. Today's my topic is who has actually taught the birds and animals? Now you're thinking what I'm asking is a very silly question. So if you see in my background, there's one video is playing. So in video, if you see what exactly happening is, you see the one bird nest, a beautiful nest, hanging with the small tiny wooden piece and holding its entire, which is we call the house of the nest, house of the bird. In the same time, when I saw that, I thought in my mind, where is that university, architecture university, who these birds has went to design them own house? Not only that, what material they have to use it, from where to pick up, and then how to mold it in such a way where it's considered as a home for them. Plus, multi-weather residency, which is we call the outside maybe a 35-degree temperature, 40-degree temperature, but they build such a way them house, okay, that temperature does not affect them. They don't put any air con, they don't put any fan, they don't put anything. When it's come to the winter, they don't put any heater, nothing. And then outside, in the open sky, wind blow, rain come, sometime very heavy wind blow, very heavy rain comes, very extreme cold weather, very extreme hot weather. But that small little nest which the bird has prepared themselves does not get affected with anything of that. While we as a human has built such a beautiful homes, very attractive homes with lots of interior designing, structure designing, planning, understanding, using the best quality of the material, best quality of the architectures, everything, yet we need aircon. Yet we need a heater in the winter. Yet a water leak happen from our roof. Yet we need a protection in our homes. Now think about who is between them and between birds and us. Who is living the better life? If you see the video also, the entire, I have taken the video from all angles. So in the entire tree, if you see, only one side, all the nest has been built. Other side is nothing. Who has gave birds an idea or vision to thinking, this is what you must do, and how much thought process, brainstorming they have went through here, how many meetings they held it, how many contractors they have called it to build that small things? Answer is zero. Above and that, everything is perfect and they're living comfortably. What I'm saying is, Bhagavad Gita is something which is teach us what is the difference between birds and us. Is karma. Otherwise, everybody have a sense of the thinking, which is we call the using the common sense. Every single life who present in this planet Earth. This is I'm giving example of the birds which is I saw with my eyes. But every single piece of the life is exist in this planet Earth. They do the same thing for themselves, survival for themselves, build them own house, a structure, stay inside, focus on the two-time meal, next generations. Everything they do, what we are doing, the same thing they're doing. But only the difference has given to us is karma. They cannot produce the new karma, but yet we as a human can produce the very fresh karma by facing the old karma. Karma means action, performance. What extra has given to us is the power of the extra thinking, where we can understand that the anger is not good, lust is not good, desire is not good, many other things is not good. This is all has given us power to think and then perform our karma. Otherwise, if we don't understand the message of the karma, then actually the birds are better than us. They don't have a stress. They don't go to earn the single cent. They don't go to the anywhere into the workplace, no university, no school, but yet they have a two-time meal, a beautiful home to stay, comfortable place to live, and then free sky to bird, or free sky to fly. Yet we have everything, but nothing is free for us. But I'm not going into that direction. I'm trying to make us understand is the Bhagwan has given us this human body with the proper reason. In that reason, Bhagwan Sri Krishna has said, this is your time to change your cycle of the birth and death. This is the time for you to bring the change for your soul. This is the time for you to bring a new fresh karma in your life by performing dharma, your duty towards everything and everyone who has been designed in your life. To perform your karma with selflessness, without attraction, attachment, bonding, without involving yourself into the anger, frustrations, and many other things, without hurting someone, without involving into the gossiping. These are the message Bhagwan Sri Krishna gives us. Otherwise, likewise, the bird is staying comfortably, then you and me. Think about it. And if you think this video is helpful, then you can share and subscribe this channel and make sure you like this video. Thank you for watching. Next video, we're going to understand furthermore. Krishnaya Vasudevaya Hare Paramatmane Pranata Kleshanashaya Govindaya Namo Namaha.